In this video, I'll guide you through how to attach documents in LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to showcase your certifications, licenses, or any other important documents, LinkedIn makes it easy to highlight these achievements on your profile. Let's dive in and see how you can do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, if you aren't logged in already, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login information is secure, so avoid using public computers for this step if possible. Once you're logged into LinkedIn, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This will give you quick access to your profile and other account settings. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Find and click on the View Profile option. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where all the magic happens. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Add Profile section button. It's usually located below your profile picture and headline. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options to enhance your profile. From here, you want to select Recommended. This section contains suggestions LinkedIn offers to help you improve your profile visibility and completeness. Within the Recommended section, click on Add Licenses and Certifications. This option is particularly useful if you are adding documents related to your professional qualifications. However, if your document is of a different nature, don't worry. You can still attach it here. Scroll down the page and you'll find an option labeled Add Media. This is where you can upload documents like PDFs, presentations, or images that you would like to attach to your profile. Click on the Add Media button. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose the file you wish to upload from your computer. Select the document you want to showcase. Once you've chosen the file, you'll see a preview and some fields where you can add a title and description. It's important to fill these out so that viewers know exactly what the document is about and why it's relevant. Keep your descriptions concise yet informative. After you've filled out the necessary information and are satisfied with the document preview, all that's left to do is to finalize the process. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the dialog box. Click Save to attach the document to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it. You've successfully attached a document to your LinkedIn profile. This feature is a great way to make your profile stand out and provide tangible evidence of your skills and achievements. Remember, keeping your profile updated with the latest and most relevant documents can significantly enhance your professional presence online. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more LinkedIn features to maximize your professional networking experience.